In this quick video I'm going to show you how to remove that thing. So to remove this whole thing right here, first obviously you need to remove the tray right here. Mine is already removed because I have all sorts of things normally stored in there. You simply pull on this thing and you can release this and it's out. Also take this out if you want, makes things a bit easier. And normally I think I want this to be in a position maybe here somewhere, so let me just move that. For manual, put it into second or fourth or something. So I'm in neutral. That is, the contact is not on, just it will not allow me to remove the key if I don't set it to P, but in P I don't have enough room. Lights off, because I want this to not have power as much as possible and fluff flying in the air anyway. And we need to get this thing out first. Normally they recommend you have a tool that grabs onto the lower side of it and you pull it out, but you can also use what I will use and get it out from the sides. So let's get to that. I'm going to use this tool, and this set it's worth its weight in gold. So let's see, or maybe a thicker tool. There is a chance that we should use a thicker tool. Yeah, let's get a thicker tool. This is quite deep in there. It's not flush with the other thing, so we could bend this and I don't want to destroy it. So let's get a thicker tool. I think this is a bit overkill, but ew, and I cannot. Let's move this to S. Still don't have enough room. One side released. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Released on that side also. And do your best to get this thing out of the way. You can also unplug it if you want. You know what? I think I can do this without unplugging anything. So let's get to the next step. We need to get this black trim all around out. And you need something to pry it out like this all around. My tool slipped a tiny bit. Again, I might need a stronger tool for this thing. So let's search for one. Actually didn't need a stronger tool. I just needed to use two of them. One stuck somewhere and the next one a little bit lower. And like that, you simply go all around and undo this particular thing. Be careful because normally it has a rubber seal. Maybe you can see it down there, so gunk doesn't go inside, so try not to damage that seal. It's lifted enough out of the way that I can continue to do my thing. Be careful, these metal things will scratch, as you can see here. One time when I opened this thing up, I managed to scratch it. Okay, now that you can see how I got into this particular situation and my cables are all unplugged already, you can take a look at this little thing, which is identical but on the other side, and see that you have some latches that you need to undo. So that is absolutely identical right down there, if my camera would be able to focus. Right in the middle. Let me try and hold this somehow. You have that tiny little latch, so you need to simply lift it up. You will also have one right here at the end and one on the other side, so in total there are three. And then when those are lifted, you can simply push on the bottom. Here right in the middle, it's actually the button part itself, and get that thing out of here. And to put it back, you just push it in place. So let's get it out. And it's out. And now again, ugly, need to clean this thing. To put it back in, obviously just in reverse, and it will clip in there. But for myself, I need to connect it to this thing because I got locked in parking position when I removed this thing, and I cannot rotate this to put it back in. I'm putting a wrap on this, so this is why I'm in this weird situation. Anyway, that's about it for this. This is how you remove that thing. 3 clips on the sides. Put it back, simply push it in and it will clip, and only then you can plug in the cable. Yeah, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one.